Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make a very interesting recipe today. A suitable recipe to make and cooking without fire competitions. You can also have it as an evening snack. Let's make Sweetcorn Sukhi Puri. But before we begin, make sure that you've subscribed and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Boil some sweet corn or you can use a frozen one. Chop onions and coriander leaves. You'll also need these puris. These puris are easily available in Indian markets. Done these puris and set them aside. Once they are ready, let's do the filling. Fill these puris with boiled sweet corn. You can add a generous amount of sweet corn. If you are using the frozen ones, you needn't boil them. Just thaw them, adding a little bit of water in a microwave for a minute, and that should do. Next, fill it with some finely chopped onions, followed by coriander leaves. Sprinkle some save on top, onions if needed. Also, don't forget to sprinkle some chaat masala powder and a pinch of salt. And that's all you need to do to make this delicious snack. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. The links are below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.